Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to talk about object-oriented programming, what it is, and how it relates to game development. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to That Game Coder, where I share with you my tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to make a game from scratch. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so you're the first to know when I upload new videos. Let's begin with object-oriented programming. What is it? Well, put simply, it's a way of building programs using objects instead of just lines of code. It's a way of breaking down problems into smaller pieces so they can be solved more easily. Object orientation is a way of thinking about software development. It's an approach that focuses on objects, which are fundamental building blocks of your program. Objects can be anything, a piece of furniture, a person, or even an idea. In object-oriented programming, you create classes that are groups of objects with similar characteristics. Classes can inherit from other classes, which we call superclasses or base classes, meaning that they inherit all the features and functionality of their superclass and can then add new features to them as needed. Let's look at an example. Say you're creating a game where you want characters to have different movement speeds based on what kind of character it is. Let's say you want your hero character to be able to run faster than your lumbering giant monster who moves at a snail's pace. To do this, you would create two child classes, known as instances, for these two types of characters that inherit from one movement superclass, one for your hero and one for your giant monster. Then you could give each class a specific speed value, like 3 or 1 respectively, so that when these two characters spawn in the world, they would automatically have these values associated with them without you having to do any additional work. Unreal Engine handles objects in a very simple way. Objects are all things that exist in a project. They can be textures, sounds, animations, or even other objects. The way Unreal Engine handles objects is by using the actor class. The actor class is the base class for all in-game objects. Actors are defined by their owner, their name, and their type. The owner is responsible for creating the actor and initializing it with a name and a type. Pawns are actors that can be controlled directly. Pawns are the characters in your game, like the player-controlled character or an enemy NPC. In the next video, I'll talk about what blueprints are and how to use them. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. And after watching this whole series, let me know what other tutorials you would like to see in the comments below.